Assalamualaikum students, good morning. I hope you are fine at your home. I am your science teacher. Today we will discuss chapter number 1, peripheral nervous system. The function of peripheral nervous system. Firstly, the nervous system consists of nerves which spread all over the body. Nervous system, peripheral nervous system consists of nerves which spread all over the body and it connects with other parts of the body. With other parts of the body. पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम जो है ये हमारी पूरी बॉडी में नर्व का एक जाल है जो कि एक जिस्म के एक हिस्से को दूसरे हिस्से से कनेक्ट करती है. द नर्व्स क्रेनियल नर्व्स. ठीक है. क्रेनियम हमने किसे कहा था? व्हाट इज क्रेनियम? The bony skull in which the brain is enclosed is called the cranium, and the nerves which are the nerves which are arises from brain means जो brain से nerves आ रही हैं हम उसे कहते हैं ये cranial nerves है. ओके और ये कितनी है? These are 12 pairs. The number 2 is, the first one is the cranial nerves and the number 2 is spinal nerves. The nerves which are arises from स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से राइज होंगी हम उसे कहते हैं स्पाइनल नर्व्स और जो ब्रेन से होंगी हम उसे कहेंगे क्रेनियल नर्व्स. एंड हाउ मेनी स्पाइनल नर्व्स आर प्रेजेंट? These are 31 pairs. 12 pairs of cranial nerves in a human body and the 31 pairs of a spinal nerves. It is about all the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of network of nerves. Number 2, connect with the other parts of the body. Cranial nerves, there are two types of the nerves. Cranial nerves, the nerves which are arises from brain are called cranial nerves. These are 12 pairs of the cranial nerves. Spinal nerves, the nerves which are arises from the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Have you got it, student? Please note down. Okay, I will repeat it. The second, firstly we discuss the peripheral nervous system and the second topic is the working model of nervous system. How nervous system works? Nervous system perform following three functions. The first one, it coordinate all body functions. Means ये एक दूसरे जितने भी body में हमारे जितने भी functions है उन सबको coordinate करता है. Number 2, it detect the changes in environment. Environment में जो changes है, changes may be external or internal. It detects the changes and give response to the. The number 3 is that it produces response according to that changes. Please note it, students. Okay, the next topic is how the nervous system works, perform these functions. First one, that is the stimuli. Okay, stimuli are maybe external or internal, just like a heat, cold, temperature. These are the examples of stimuli. Stimuli may be any change in the environment. The change may be external and internal. Now the stimuli are detected by a special cell organ that is called receptors. That are called receptors. Receptors are cells and tissues. Stimuli, just like we touch an hot object or a cool object, then the receptors on the tip of a finger, the tissues and the cells on the tip of a finger are called receptors, and the hot and cold object is called as a stimuli. Then receptor detect the stimuli, it may be hot and cold, and gives according to the gives a response according to their stimuli, and they create a nerve impulse. They send signals in the form of a nerve impulse. They send signals to the central nervous system. Central nervous system. Receptors, basically the motor neurons and the interneurons, sensory neurons are involved. So here the sensory neuron send the nerve impulses from the receptor to the central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Okay, have you got it, students? From receptor to central nervous system, which neurons are helpful for sending the nerve impulse from receptor to central nervous system? These are the sensory neurons. Now, the sensory neurons, the sensory neurons send signals to the central nervous system, and the central nervous system, the central nervous system then record the message and according to their instructions and send it to the other parts of the body. Now, next, the central nervous system record the message and send it to the motor neurons. Motor neurons. Now, the motor neuron carried that nerve impulse and send it to the effectors. Effectors may be muscles which are involved in contraction and movement, body movement, and the glands which are involved in the secretion, just like a sweating. In this way, the nervous system works. Firstly, the stimuli. मैं दोबारा से repeat करें इसको. Stimuli, just like we touch an object, heat and hot and cold object. The object obviously are the stimuli. Stimuli detected by the receptor cells. Receptors may be cells and tissues which are present on the every sense organs. On every cells and tissues. They carry nerve impulse and send it to the central nervous system. When the receptor, the sensory neuron take nerve impulse from receptor and send it to the central nervous system. There are two types, further divided into two types: central nervous system, number one brain, number two spinal cord. And these are the involved in the basic functions of the nervous system. Take nerve impulses and send it to the other parts of the body and take action according to that instruction. In this way, the nervous system works. Here you can see on your screen you can see a diagram of working of a central nervous system. Touch from hot, just like a cold, it gives smells. It may be cold drink, and it is to the sensory neurons, carries from the receptor cells to the central nervous system. There is a integration. Integration means process. Then the process whole process take place by central nervous system, receptor to central nervous system, then central nervous system to motor neuron, and then the effectors. These are the muscles and glands. Muscles basically involved in the movement, and the glands in the secretion. Don't mark, students. Student, don't mark. Okay, it's all about today's lecture. Today we discussed about peripheral nervous system, and then the working and function of the nervous system. Have you got it, students?